Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you study for Maths Class 10. First, ensure you truly grasp each concept before advancing. Don't just memorize. Understand the why behind every formula and method. Consistent daily practice is crucial to solidify your understanding and improve your problem-solving speed. Make sure your foundational arithmetic and algebraic skills are rock solid, as they are the building blocks for more complex topics. Next, diversify your practice. Don't just stick to one type of problem. Tackle a wide range from your textbook and previous exam papers. When solving, always strive to understand the underlying logic, not just the steps. This deeper comprehension prevents rote learning. Actively identify your challenging topics and dedicate focused practice sessions to them until you feel confident. For effective revision, compile your own concise formula sheet. This active creation process aids memory and provides a handy reference. Schedule regular revision sessions for all chapters, ensuring no topic is forgotten. Crucially, practice solving full-length mock tests under timed conditions. This simulates the exam environment, helping you manage your time effectively and boost your accuracy. Finally, cultivate a positive mindset. Believe in your capacity to excel. Confidence is a powerful tool. Never hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers or study with peers when you encounter difficulties. Additionally, leverage the wealth of online resources, including educational videos and interactive platforms, to gain different perspectives and deepen your understanding of complex topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.